If you want to log out of GOG on every device and browser session at once, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. It only takes a minute, and it's a really useful step if you've signed in on a shared computer, you're troubleshooting your account, or you simply want to make sure your session is fully closed. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account. You'll see your profile area at the top of the page, and that's where we need to go next. Click on the Profile dropdown in the top section of the page. This opens your account menu with several options related to your profile and store settings. From here, look for Orders and Settings and click that option. Now you'll be taken into your account area. In the Settings section, find and click Login and Security. This is where GOG keeps the controls for account access, sign-in options, and session management. Inside the Login and Security area, look for the Logout All option. This is the key step. When you click Logout All, GOG will sign you out of all active sessions connected to your account. That means any browser, device, or login session currently connected should be ended. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it carefully and confirm the action. Once that's done, your account should be logged out everywhere, which is especially helpful if you want to protect your account or you've been using GOG on multiple devices. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of GOG across all sessions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fast step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.